What is subtle energy? Well, first of all, energy feeds all of life sources, everybody and everything. Everyone has subtle energy. If you didn't, you'd be dead. If usually most people aren't aware of their energy flow until they don't feel well, and then all of a sudden they're doing things to correct this. Being an energetic worker, I work with the subtle body energy all the time because as I'm feeling people's energy, I'm trying to figure out where are the discrepancies, where the blockages and the disconnect. And one thing about energy work, it could be done anywhere. That's the reason why many healers can do remote healing. Subtle energy is the actual infrastructure of the body. It has been described by scientists in several ways. Some consider it as the electromagnetic wavelength, vibrational pulsation, and no two persons will have the exactly same energy frequency. There are 9 distinct energy systems. Many people, it's very rare that many people will even know all 9. I don't even know all 9 until I did my research. First of all, let's talk about the meridians. There are 12 principal meridian energy pathways in the body. 12. They look like colorful ribbons that run on the surface of the skin and also in the body. The meridians is the energy that feeds all the organs in the body and is considered the energy bloodstream that connects the mind, body, and spirit. Let's talk about chakras. Chakras I know inside and out. First of all, you have 7 main chakras living on your spine. You'll have to go back and check the chakra classes to go through all of that information. And you have 21 minor chakras sprinkled throughout the body. Chakras are considered the swirling disc of energy that fuels all of your body's functions. Let's talk about the aura now. First of all, the energy radiates from the chakra inside out to your outer body, known as the aura. Your aura protects your chakras. It's your first line of energy defenses. So it will do everything it can possibly do for you to protect your inner energy source. Let's talk about radiant circuits. Yeah, you have a radiation that being fueled by a circuit that really moves your energy from inside out. This radiant circuit combines and supports all of your other energetic systems, and it's highly responsive to your environment, to your thoughts, to your energy, and it feeds your joy. And just think about your environment. How is your environment supporting your energy? Now let's talk about the triple warmer. Triple warmer. I've always heard of this term. Now I'm starting to understand what this means. And the triple warmer combines your meridian and radiant circuits. It's kind of like a package deal. And this combination of circuits oversees your immune system and keeps you healthy. And it also controls your fight or flight to free and respond, so this way your circuits don't go into overdrive and you're kind of like trying to figure a way how to survive what's going on in your life in this moment. Now the Celtic weave. That sounds so romantic. I could just see myself out in the ocean somewhere in Ireland. So what is the Celtic weave? Well, basically it's like a web that holds all of your body's energy together throughout this whole system here, just like a container. It keeps everything in. And there's just the 5 rhymes. I'm hoping that's what it's called, 5 rhymes. This is a complex energy pulse that runs through all of your body system and leaves an imprint. So according to Chinese medicine, the 5 rhymes is influenced by all of your life events. So everything, I guess I could think of it as you live your past life, all that information gets retained inside of you. That's how I would interpret this. Now let's talk about the electrics. This is electrical charge. Can you imagine? Well, that's what energy is. It's electrical charge. And it connects all of your cells, organs, and all your body system on electrical level. So just imagine your home. What would you do if you had no electricity? Well, think of your body if you had no electricity and all of a sudden you burn and crash. And then there is the, here I didn't click fast enough because I'm too busy talking. And then let's talk about the basic grid. Because like electricity, like in your electrical company, you always want to talk about the grid. Well, your body is like shaped like a grid or a matrix. So this electrical grid is embedded throughout your entire body. It is the foundation of all your electrical systems. It supports your bones, and if the grid is broken, which I hope it never does, who gets broken? I would say people's spirit that have died, people who suffer, distress on the body, have mental health issues that could break your grid. I think about my mom, who unfortunately, fortunately she survived a war, but that energy of the war still lives inside of her. So in many ways, her electrical grid has been broken for a long time. And once the grid has broken, it's almost impossible to fix it because it causes such a dissociation in the body that affects your physical and emotional health. Now that you have a basic understanding of what is your 9 subtle energetic body systems, I want to broaden your knowledge by inviting you to the healingplaceenergyschool.com. I am going to be offering an array of classes that you can learn from. What I have installed for you right now is Chakra 101, Know Your Energy. This is a great foundation for energy medicine, along with how to read and feel energy. Stay tuned, just keep watching, and I'll give you more details of what is going to be coming for you. Thank you.